I always follow Learjet, very interested to buy it.
Bombardier's flagship product in aerospace is beyond a doubt the twin-engine Challenger business jet.
I remember the first, when Bombardier announced that we were buying Canadair, the caricature in the newspaper was a snowmobile with wings. And it was like, can they do airplanes?
See your accomplishments lift off the ground. It's just like your emotional upheaval.
How did we become so good at creating the right culture of innovation, teamwork, and entrepreneurship?
A completely new scale of airplane.
Because it does in fact reflect what the market told us they wanted in a new series of airplanes.
So our board of directors last Friday has approved the launch of the Bombardier Global Express.
My father had a passion for airplane since the beginning. I'm not sure you knew we were going to buy an airplane company, but loved the product.
I never thought that I would have an opportunity to acquire the company.
You think Learjet, you think business aircraft, you think the beginning of this industry. So the environment or the cabin of the Learjet was very tight. The Challenger brought a real true business environment to business aircraft.
One of the issues we had at the beginning, people were complaining about the high cost of maintaining a Challenger. That's why we developed the Smart Part program. And after that, the Challenger took off.
That was the first of the business jets to bring this to the industry, a wide body, capable aircraft, capable to go around the world.
The customer always liked to have more range. And at one stage with the Challenger, we went to the limit, but after that, there was not much we could do. I said to our engineers, what can you do if I didn't give you limit to build a business aircraft that we could satisfy the customer? Then we launched the Global Express from a brand new design.
So that's why the Global is truly unique. New wing, new comfort, an airplane that provided the best comfort and speed to go around the world.
Just visiting the final assembly of the Global 7500 and the Global 6500, it's amazing that we've been able to achieve that here in Montreal with our engineering. Today we should all be proud. There's not too many companies in the world that can certify that type of product today.
I think you're being modest. There's nobody else that can do that. When I look at this product, I see 25, 30 years of learning from a company, taking it to a level that no others could do, because you don't do that just by applying it. You do that by using the knowledge of everybody involved. 8,000 nautical miles, 17 hours in the air, flying at speeds of above 0.90, a really exceptional piece of technology. It takes everything that we knew and customer feedback and brings it to an exceptional level. And I like the fact that now we're working on platforms, we're flying them, we're learning, but we're not learning from zero.
That's going to be another type of evolution. It's going to be a very different aircraft.
It's just, for me, it's just a question of saying, how do we do it better than we do it today? So Bombardier can think of an EcoJet because of the know-how we've accumulated through the years.
Our people have that type of vision. They're working on something that would not be for tomorrow, but for the future is very important.
Because our industry is all about efficiency and, of course, safety. People feel comfortable and safe when they're flying. And, of course, the human factor is a big part of it. So providing and participating with the MBAA at developing standards for pilots to be better, to understand all the environment, working with them at making better products. I'm really proud that Bombardier is taking the time with the industry to develop this safety standard. Now it's become a standard, but at first it was a small group of pilots and people from the industry getting together to discuss how we can improve, what we do every day. This is something that will remain as a key priority for us and for the industry.
Pierre, he traveled the company almost the same way as I did over my period. He's been through all the ups and downs, We've been very much involved, both of us, in different fashion. And I'm very proud to see today it's continuing in the family. A big accomplishment personally for me to see my son now being the chairman.
Well, I'm very proud of the fact that I can continue what he's done for so many years. But I see it as giving it credibility to the fact that we talk about a family business at Bombardier. On behalf of all the Bombardier employees, the family of Bombardier employees, to recognize the contribution we have made to business aircraft is quite something.
And we build with them, the organization. Definitely, we would not be here if, we didn't have the skills, the employees that help us to achieve what we've been able to achieve over the years.
Creating the right atmosphere for people to innovate. And that's what I think we've accomplished.
After being with the company for 55 years, and I think that, I hope that my contribution, I've done something for the industry over that period.